Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to create a public Facebook page. First, navigate to Facebook and locate the Pages section in the left-hand menu. Click on Create New Page to begin the process. You will then be prompted to enter your page name, category, and a brief description. Choose a name that clearly represents your brand or business. Selecting the correct category helps users find your page more easily. This initial setup is crucial for your page's visibility. After the initial setup, you'll need to add more details to your page. Upload a clear profile picture, perhaps your logo, and an engaging cover photo that reflects your brand. These visuals are the first impression for visitors. Next, fill in your contact information, including your website, phone number, and email address. Finally, craft a compelling About section. This section should clearly communicate what your page offers and why people should follow it, keeping it under 250 characters. Now it's time to customize your page for optimal engagement. Explore different page templates and tabs, such as shop or services, to best fit your business needs. A well-organized page enhances user experience. Next, create a unique username for your page. This makes it easier for people to find and share your page across Facebook. Finally, start inviting your friends and existing customers to like your new page to build an initial audience. This early engagement is vital for growth. With your page fully set up and customized, it's time to publish and start engaging. Begin sharing high-quality content consistently, whether it's posts, photos, or videos. Regular updates keep your audience interested and informed. Explore Facebook's promotional tools like boosted posts or ads to expand your reach and attract new followers. Remember, building a strong community takes time and consistent effort. Also, for some great deals, including a link to Darn Tough socks with a lifetime warranty, be sure to check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.